So let's press play. It falls down, and yeah, basically it's kind of like cool text falling down. What's up YouTube, it's Nejc Filipič here, welcome, and this is gonna be Blender short tutorial how to make your text and then they fall down. So let's go. So that's the Blender 2.8 if I'm correct. Let me see about, I don't have about this, but yeah, it's the latest anchor, so let's go. So middle mouse button to rotate, simple. Shift middle button, it's to move. Alt, it's actually short jumps, but you can click this area guard and control. Okay, so let's go. So that's gonna be a cube, so we're gonna go to scale, put it a bit like that, nice, and click this one to expand it over. Okay, for now seems good, let's go forward. Let's go to add, and we're gonna add a text. So text right here, you can see the outline, but you're gonna rotate it for 90 degrees. Here we go. So let's go to the edit mode, and now we can type hello, easy as that. Let's go back to object mode, lift it a bit up like that, nice and good. Okay, seems good for now, just let me because that's good. So we're gonna now change the there's a lot of ideas, but this text have a geometry and you can make extrude, right, like that, simple. Let's put it 0.1, okay, like that, nice. Okay, let's put now material, so that's a material area. We already have one material here, so I'm gonna click it. So it says use nodes, and if you deselect this, it's gonna be simple. But if you use the nodes, it's gonna be a bit more complex than it's supposed to be. Okay, so in the node you have up shading, and that's actually the node right here, it's simple as that. So base color, if you change it, it's gonna be simple. Nodes is basically kind of like you can combine all of the textures and everything together. So that's a material that I put. You see the same material from the cube and from the text. And this is this material, and the base color is green, that's what we can see green. Okay, so let's now go back to layout and click the box right here. This one, I'm gonna remove it. You still have this one, but we're gonna make a new material. Let's put this on. You see, nothing happens right now. So let's go back to shape. Oh yeah, it's actually happens. Okay. Anyway, so these buttons here, basically it's the rendering. That's the shortest one. More you go to the right, harder it is to complete. So I'm gonna press Shift and middle mouse button. Seems good, right? Okay, so let's click a text and click this area. Now if you open the text right here, you can actually select specific things, but we need to go back to the object mode. I'm gonna go back to the edit mode. No object mode, I'm confused. Right click and convert to mesh, which means that the text won't be editable, but will be mesh. So in this one you can apply rigid body, and if you press play, it falls down. Rigid body basically means that it's allowing all the physics and everything. Seems good. Okay, so let's go now to the edit mode, and we have a mesh right here. And if you press P on keyboard, you can set loose parts. And now it's supposed to, just a second. It's kind of like a lot to take. Here we go. Oh, we have to press P and loose by parts, and it's gonna make every single part different. Let's click play. Yep, it's working already. Okay, so let's select the bottom, nice and easy. Let me scroll down. We have a cube right here, and it's already have rigid body. I'm not sure exactly how. No, it doesn't have. It's a mistake. I need to find the cube. Oh, there it is. I need to go back to the object mode, put rigid to the cube, and active, it means that it's activated. Passive, it's not activated, but it will work if something falls down. Now the mistake here is because all the hello, if we select all the text, have the center of universe, or the center right here. Now to move this one, you can right click, set origin to geometry, and now all of them, you see these dots, have their own centered position. press play and the text fall out completely nuts. Seems good, so let's deselect, so we actually have for the start of the video, something like that. Okay, so that's short tutorial. My name is Nejc Filipič, and next time, goodbye.